In front of me is Oukitel WP36 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom. Either way, after holding one of your pictures that you wish to delete, use those icons at the top right corners to pick multiple right away. If you want to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use Delete icon in Photos section at the bottom and in Albums at the top. Then hit Got It and select Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.